Chori!
Very red, very hot.
Red and spicy.
Ooh!
Wow, this looks so good and it smells so good as well.
Wee. Oh yeah.
Oh. But this is like something brand new. I've not seen this anyway like this. Executed like this. Chori! This is a Takeout Thursday! What is up, guys? Welcome to the most popular food medium in the Philippines, the Takeout Thursday on Making It Happen vlog. This time coming at you from our not so brand new condo. We've been living here for months and months already, but it is the first Takeout Thursday that we are filming here just in time for the impeding ECQ coming up, because restaurants are closed for dine-in and al fresco, but to support the local businesses, we want to bring back this format and do Takeout Thursday videos for you guys here on the channel. And today we are kicking it off with a incredibly awesome Takeout Thursday. Nelly, take it away.
Okay, today we are trying Chori, which is a new food concept from Hola Bonbon. And maybe if you remember, there was a video where we went to Poblacion, had an amazing meal with Spanish dishes. Super cute interior in there. So if you have the chance to go there when it's open, go there for sure. For now, they have a new concept that they wanted us to try. May we represent to you the Chori goodie bag.
Yes. All right, Nelly, what do we have in here?
Okay, here we go. Quick unboxing. We have patatas fritas.
Ooh.
Yum. Wow, it smells delicious. Then we have a krillo, which is a kind of pita sandwich, as you can see here.
Look at that.
Then the chori, which is also a pita. And then vegetarian version. I don't know what's in there, but we'll find out.
Very cool. Wow, this looks so good and it smells so good as well.
Yeah.
Yum. What a lovely idea to make kind of like a burger in a pita bread.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Something new. So here these, I'm just gonna call them fries, come with an escabeche aioli, and what is the other one?
Brava sauce.
Brava
sauce. If you ever had patatas
Ooh.
bravas, this is the delicious sauce that comes with it.
Patatas bravas is one of my all-time favorite Spanish dishes.
Yeah.
Love it. Whenever we see patatas bravas on any menu, we order it.
Okay, let's try.
Okay, I'm gonna go first one with these fries here. I'm gonna go with the brava sauce.
And I'm going with the escabeche aioli.
Cheers, Nelly.
Cheers.
Oh. Hint of sweet, hint of spicy.
So these are basically potato chips covered with paprika powder. Wow, this sauce is so good. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like this yellow aioli, which is
What does escabeche stand for, actually?
It's full of herbs and spices. It's more like a mayonnaise, but not really, I think. Can't really tell. It's delicious.
It's so good. By the way, guys, do you say herbs or herbs in the Philippines? Because I know from country to country it's different. Some
we
people
had
herbs.
fights over this.
So I'm like
the relationship drama.
I'm team herbs.
I'm team herbs. Ooh, this is very spicy, but spicy in a sense without the hotness.
It's very nice.
Okay.
It's addictive.
But before we continue with the Chori burgers, we have to publicly apologize for the lack of videos on our channel when it comes to food content.
Yeah, we have not been doing food content. We've been focusing on losing weight.
It's really difficult to lose weight when you eat out every day.
Yeah. So yeah, but it's the weekend now, so we took the opportunity. So on the weekend we just enjoy food, whatever. And yeah, this is one of those cases.
Okay.
So is this the vegetarian one?
This is the vegetarian chori.
Vegetarian chori. Okay.
So we're going to try it without sauce because as I can see, there is some sauce inside.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Reminds me of like falafel, right?
Oh yeah. We have some onions in there. We have some potatoes, and then there is this like kind of a falafel patty.
It's so good.
It's really good, and I think it's this sauce inside.
It's like a really juicy and moist falafel because sometimes falafel can be a little bit on the dry side. That's why we have hummus with falafel, but this is like so good.
This is the vegetarian version, and it's really good.
Yeah. Okay.
They also sent us this little card with the food menu explaining the story behind Chori Chori, and it is the desire to offer delicious comfort food during a time of gastronomic rediscovery, as you guys know. The Hola Bonbon team took to the streets of Argentina for culinary inspiration. From the obsession with the chori pan, the Latin American city's most iconic street food sandwich, the Chori Chori cloud concept was born. Our Chori Chori sandwiches are made of smoky grilled chorizo, delicious, cooked into thick, juicy patty which sits in a crusty pita pocket, slathered with chimichurri sauce, escabeche aioli, and topped with onion cotito and patatas fritas.
Yum. Okay, so next one is going to be this one or that one?
Let's go with this one.
This one?
The grillo.
Grillo.
Is it griolo?
Griolo. Ooh.
Okay, next one, very, very similar looking. You guys can see it. We're just going to indulge, right?
Yes.
Okay, cheers. Oh yeah.
They look so similar, but they taste completely different, right?
Very different. So this one has some kind of sausage. It reminds me more of like a German sausage. Bratwurst, right?
Almost, yeah. Oh, so much flavor. So satisfying.
I see fennel. Lots of fennel actually.
Yeah, you can taste it.
Chimichurri in there with some garlic. Wow. So easy to eat as well.
Yeah.
And last but not least, we have the
Chori! So
okay, I think this one is with chorizo because as I can see, it is looking
very red.
Very red, very hot.
Red and spicy.
Ooh! Alright, we love chorizo, so I think this is going to be delicious.
Oh.
Okay. It's not too spicy, but it has like the chorizo,
the paprika taste in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, these typical chorizo flavors.
A little bit smoky. Otherwise, it's like everything is very similar, like the choris that we had before. It's just the patty is different in there.
Nelly has sauce all over her
Really?
face. Find the girl that loves you like Nelly loves a Chori burger. So,
what's the verdict?
I'll give it 9 from 10 points.
Same.
It's really good, and what I love is it's a new concept. It's not like copy paste something else.
Yeah.
Oftentimes you'll see like food trends, and then everybody tries to make the same thing just with a slight variation. But this is like something brand new. I've not seen this anyway like this. Executed like this.
Same. Flavor-wise, really good. Although the choris look a little bit small, they're very filling. So the patties that are actually inside are quite a good portion. The patatas fritas are amazing. The sauces are so delicious, and
really good.
If you guys want to check it out, we'll leave a link in the description down below. They were kind enough to send it to us to try it with no strings attached. They didn't even ask for a review or anything. We just thought this would be something new to try, and we're excited about it, so we thought let's share it with you guys. So we hope you enjoyed this episode of Takeout Thursday. More to come.
Exactly. Let us know if you're gonna give this a try. Let us know if you have any recommendations of other foods we should try at home. And with that being said, we will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place.
Remember to stay awesome,
be positive,
and
make it happen.
make it happen. Bye-bye.
Bye.